Hey Tamar, we've progressed with the installation or setup of Xero. So I just need to get to the next step now. So if I come down, so these ones I've deactivated. As I said before, get bank feeds. That's where Pause Holdings was at. So I've deactivated those two. And now Pause Holding is activated. And it's asking me that, it's saying that there's no transactions imported. Import a bank statement to get started. So if I click on that, I then get to import bank transactions. So what it's asking for now is a bank record from Pause Holdings, and it can be either in an OFX, QIF or CSV file. Once that is available, so obviously you've got to go to your bank to get that. We browse, upload it, and then we can import that. So that's the next step. So could you please, I can give you the details where you can upload it into Pause Pet Retreat yourself into Xero, or if you can get me that file, then I can upload it. Up to you. So I'll leave that with you. Okay, thanks. Cheers.